Hey guys, Brandon's gonna be coming over with his car because he recently just got new springs and we're probably gonna install them, and then we're probably gonna be filling in his dents and whatnot with body filler if we can do that, and I'm just gonna see what we can do to get her a bit more fixed up, get it fixed up a bit more. Yeah, sweet. Look who arrived. Took his front lip off. Shit. You took your front lip off, eh?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, Josh is coming soon. Oh, you kept your rear lip on.
Yeah.
Let's look at your exhaust too.
I can get this.
Why did you want to take it off? Your front lips look mad.
I just wanted
Oh, there's little Joshy. Oh, you can't really see. It's pretty dark right now.
Is my bull bar red by any chance?
Yo, what?
I ran into KFC.
You ran into KFC?
Yeah. I know. I was coming through the drive-thru. Pretty lady was serving me, and it was a bit, how would you say it? Obvious now.
Oh, what do you mean?
I was hooking it around, right? Put the foot down. I was like too far off because I was trying to go straight and threw bang right into the fucking...
Oh, we haven't done anything yet. He just got here pretty much.
I think I found the spot.
The spot. So what you do, feel it here, feel your hand here, feel how you can feel like a bunch of weird ass grooves and shit.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to jack up next to that there in the flat part, and then put the jack stand where the grooves are.
Oh, okay, I see.
They're the springs.
Stance, boys.
They kind of match your jacket, bro. Okay.
Can you describe the spring compressors for a second?
Brayden, your springs are fine, man. Alright guys,
I'd recommend leaving on the top before you start.
we just vinyl wrapped his car. It's got a few bubbles, but you know that'll buff out.
Look at that. $500 for that. Bit of air pockets. I don't want to notice that.
No one will notice.
You go open up the door.
If you close your eyes, no one will notice.
I only drive at night time.
Twerk it.
That didn't sound good.
That's good, mate. That's what you want, bro. That's the sound you want.
That's too sharp for my ears.
Now we're undoing the top ones again.
Oh, they've actually cable tied it. Yeah.
That's reassuring, dude.
Dude. Didn't even double up. That's what you want.
It didn't double up. There's a spring. Look how loose it is.
That's fine. This is nice glad wrap.
Oh, he's having such a hard time just taking the glad wrap off.
Alright, cut this out, man. Precious J's on the block.
Okay guys, it seems like we've run into a little speed bump. We cannot get the top hat off because it just keeps spinning like this. And it's not really doing much. Alright, sounds like Tyler's here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he said let's get it out.
So Braden's car was quite unsuccessful, but we are going to do some mad modifications to his body kit. Tyler here is fabricating some aero canards, so that should increase his horsepower and downforce by about 15 to 20%. Oh, 30. I reckon that looks mad. Looks like an Evo now. What is this?
Look at this. What the fuck? Dude, it fucked the car up. That's not a good idea. Tell me how that's What?
Look at this! This is the worst thing I've ever seen.
Oh, it looks good.
He's so proud of his work. You legit came here with expectations that the car's going to be better.
It's worse now.
And look what it's ended with. That was such a
Why are you ruining it? We need to get the spray paint. I'll use a cardboard.
Yes.
No,
Let me test the fit, okay? That's a bit too black.
that's fine. Hey, it doesn't look bad.
Look at it sticking out. Look at it.
Keep going.
Look at it.
Oh, what the fuck? I didn't see this. It looks like you melted a hole in my car, dude. Have we got like a big stick? Yeah, we've actually made it. That's what it looks like. Someone got like one of those black garbage bags and smushed it up again.
Alright, so that's the end of today's video. Kind of ruined his car. But, I don't know. We'll catch you guys in the next one.